saved this is from Onana. There he has done it, and United they have won the game of 4-2. They're in the penalties. They're into the finals of the FA Cup. There. It's a wonderful, wonderful performances from United there. And what a celebration there in the. So I'll give you all the status updates on those big games. Just stay tuned, and absolutely wonderful piece of game and wonderful piece of performances from them. Yes, the last penalty, and he stood it right there in the end, and absolutely wonderful to see him performing like this. That's it. Wonderful. Take care. And bye. What a performances from Andres Onana. He has done it. He has saved a couple of great penalties there in the end. And what a performances from United. They're into the finals of FA Cup. So that's it. Wonderful. Take care. And what a game. What a sensational piece of game this is from them. So stay tuned for the latest updates from my end, and what a celebration this is from. Well, a wonderful. Take care.